have to do this first 10 seconds on YouTube video. Bratislava. Enjoy the video. Did you ever consider to rent an electric scooter? For example, if you do like me, I am in Bratislava, just I want to go around. This is very, very handy. I don't know if I'm allowed to go here anyway. Okay, let's go to explore the old town at this time in the morning. Shooting while riding. I have to be careful. Beautiful palace built in 1778. Until 1996, this was the temporary seat of the President of Slovakia. While I'm riding this ecological vehicle, I want to see if there is someone local, a man or woman, and see what are their culinary preferences. Let's see. There you are. Okay, while this lovely guy is stirring the pizza, hey my friend, black olives, pepperoni, ham, cheese, Hawaii. There's not only pizza in this world. I love pizza. There are some lovely restaurants here in Bratislava. I hope someone can give me directions to the Blue Church. Excuse me, sir. There is a Blue Church here in Bratislava. Do you know perhaps where is it? That direction? Sure. Hello, good morning, sir. Excuse me. I'm a bit lost. The Blue Church, that way? Thank you. Merci. Dziękuję. Lovely. These two guys who helped me with indication, so happy that I met them. They weren't rude at all. They didn't speak to me in Slovak. Wow. In 10 minutes walking, I will reach what is known in English St. Elizabeth, but is commonly known as the Blue Church. The church was built in 1909, but it started operating as a church in 1913. The exterior of the church is painted in an uncommon shade of pale blue. 85 meters from the Danube River. This castle was, actually the castle hill was inhabited from the Stone to the Bronze Age. And it was a Celtic town. In 1950, there was a fire that burned almost completely the castle. After the aerial view of the castle, let's see some green and let's head to the main square. Hlavné námestie, commonly known as Main Square, has been the hub for the town for centuries. Wow, something fresh! Rainy day. Stay in a cafe or use this lovely red bus, 12 euros a ticket, to discover Bratislava in a rainy day. Let's explore the public transport network of Bratislava. All buses and trams are colored in red. Wow, tap your contactless here and there you go. No fines, mate. The fare starts from €1.10 for 30 minutes validity. You can purchase 1, 2 or 3 days passes visiting the app. The link is in the description below. One of the reasons why visit Bratislava is the food. Let me get off and let. This place is huge and the interior is absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Here I try a local dish, potato dumplings with goat cheese and bacon. Don't ask me how it's called in Slovak. No way. This was a monastery. Wow. On this rainy day, I was wet from head to toe. Koliba kamzik zelena, this typical Bratislavan restaurant also satisfied me. Welcoming and warm interior. Staff was friendly, and the traditional dish of the day was delicious. But while I digest, let me show you some more bits and bobs of this lovely capital of Slovakia. In this area you can see a mix of ancient, old and modern. Do you like modern architecture with aliens? Give me few seconds. Not far from the castle and the main square, you can go to visit the UFO Bridge. It's the longest in the world to have one pylon and one cable-stayed plane. From the flying saucer-shaped structure, you can admire the city from its observation deck. I felt safe in this city. You can find quiet, affordable accommodation if you stay outside Bratislava. Keep in mind that here the public transport is cheap and efficient. You can rent electric scooters in various points of the city. That's the Church of St. Stephen of Hungary, known also as Capuchin Church, built in 1717. Now I have some questions for you. Have you been to Bratislava? And if you have been, what did you like most about this city? Please leave some comments below. This nice building is the Grasalkovich Palace, residence of the President of Slovakia. So, my lovely friends, we reached the end of this video. My next destination will be San Sebastian, España. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. From Marco Polo Travel Vlog, peace and love.